What's going on, bros? So today we're finally getting these seats finished and installed. So, yo. Turn that off real quick. Our biggest issue is these factory mounts in the back because it'll raise the seat up. So we're cutting those out. We already cut the front out. I thought maybe we'd be okay with leaving those in, but it's actually, these are holding the seat up. You can see I already cut out spots for the new seats to go. All four. But those have to get cut out. So after Mark cuts those out, we'll start lining up the seat and hopefully getting bolted in. Mark's doing that. I'm about to take this wheel off and adjust this last coil over because this one's still holding it up a little bit. So I'll put this one all the way down like the rest of them are while he's doing that. Alright. Got these tools organized. Where'd you put the tool for the... Never mind. There it is. Mark's pretty much got that out. Oh, okay.
I just don't want to cut myself here.
Yeah, just pry it off and just take the sander. Yeah, that's good.
Cut yourself.
So after he gets that out, we're gonna switch the blade to the sanding disc, much thicker. Get all that excess metal off. That way it'll be smooth and won't mess up the seat. But, all right. See right now. I got this one adjusted like halfway up, so taking this all the way down. Dude, this thing's leaking bad. Right now we're leaking coolant because Mark decided to cut one of the hard lines. So, alright, let me get this thing all the way down. Alright guys, I got these adjusted all the way down now. So what I initially thought is that if you bring these up, I thought the higher it would go, that the lower the car would be, but it's totally wrong. So I have these all the way on bottom. So that's like a 2.5, 2.75 inch drop all the way around. Maybe 3, honestly. So I have these adjusted all the way down, put the wheel back on, and let's see. I think Mark has, yeah, he's got that mount out. So he's cutting this one now. What he's gonna do after that, like I said, put that sanding disc on, make it all flat, and he'll do that with the disc on.
See.
That way that there's no like jagged metal and it'll just look much cleaner like that. So. Alright, bros. Alright, so putting that sanding disc on back on now. And then. Alright, go ahead. Oh yeah, I have to do it.
Hey man, if you know.
That's good.
You could like put it like this way and then.
That's fine. So now Mark's gonna clean all this stuff up. Got both of mine.
Isn't like.
Alright guys, so now Mark's gonna
Right
clean these
in the
up.
middle of this.
I don't think it would. Yeah.
Hmm?
No, dude, look how far back those holes are. You're gonna be like right in the middle.
I'm a little bit shorter than you.
You're gonna be right there.
Am I?
You'll be fine. That's fine.
No, that's a bad. I don't know.
You'll be fine, dude. You'll be fine. Because I put mine a little bit forward to what I'm comfortable with. So.
Am I just using a pillow? I'm just kidding.
All right, Mark's gonna clean this up, and then we'll try to get this seat back in again. Because with those stock mounts, it was just not working. Alright, so we're jacking it up and seeing if the seat lines up. You see that's the hole. That's the hole. And then we're gonna see if it'll work. So this was our idea, and if it fails, then we got nothing. It's gotta go up more, dude. Alright guys, so we finally got this thing mounted in. It's fitting super nice. Let me try to get a view of, yeah, right there. So that's how we did it. A washer, can't focus. Washer with the nut on the bottom, underneath, is coming up through and screwing into the bottom of the seat because we cut those stock mounts out. And I mean, right now we only got 2 in, but it's definitely in there. So we'll see. For the other 2, I mean, this does touch, which is kind of annoying, but drift car, right? This is my seating position, and Mark will probably have to come the front of the seat up to probably a little bit past here. So we're gonna call it a night because it's starting to get cold out here. We'll finish this some other time, and then we'll start cutting the stuff up for the passenger seat. So, all right, bros. Hit that like button, subscribe, peace out.